to consecrate my life to the service of humanity.
I solemnly pledge to consecrate my life to the service of humanity.
I will give to my teachers the respect and gratitude that is their due.
I will give to my teachers the respect and gratitude that is their due.
I will practice my profession with conscience and dignity.
I will practice my profession with conscience and dignity.
The health of my patient will be my first consideration.
The health of my patient will be my first consideration.
I will respect the secrets that are confided in me even after the patient has died.
I will respect the secrets that are confided in me even after the patient has died.
I will maintain by all the means in my power the honor and the noble traditions of the medical profession.
I will maintain by all the means in my power the honor and the noble traditions of the medical profession.
My colleagues will be my sisters and brothers.
My colleagues will be my sisters and brothers.
I will not permit considerations of age, disease or disability, creed, ethnic origin, gender, nationality, political affiliation, race, sexual orientation, social standing, or any other factor to intervene between my duty and my patient.
I will not permit consideration of age, disease, or disability, creed, ethnic origin, gender, nationality, political affiliation, race, sexual orientation, social standing, or any other factor to intervene between my duty and my patient.
I will maintain the utmost respect for human life.
I will maintain the utmost respect for human life.
I will not use my medical knowledge to violate human rights and civil liberties even under threat.
I will not use my medical knowledge to violate human rights and civil liberties even under threat.
I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor.
I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor.
递交誓词。
Please invert the oath.
你曾操纵总统，感谢马总统及各位贵宾百忙中光临，让我们再一度见证这历史性的一刻，让我们再一次以热烈的掌声感谢总统。